Hi, M5919. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Cecilia B. Abilay. I'm 45 years old. I'm married. I have two kids, one boy and one girl. Their ages are 20 and 25 years old. I'm Roman Catholic.
And your highest educational attainment.
I'm undergraduate computer science.
Okay, tell me about your experiences as a helper.
As a helper, I had 2 years experience in Saudi Arabia. I'm taking care of two children, 5 years old and newborn baby. My duties there are taking care of them, ironing, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, and taking care of the two kids.
Okay, and you have also experience in Hong Kong for two employers, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper in Hong Kong.
In my first employer in Hong Kong, I finished my contract. There are three members of the family, one couple, and 3 years old girl. My duties there are taking care of the kids, cleaning the house, ironing, go to the market, cooking, and washing the clothes.
Okay, and you also have another employer in the same country, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about your experience on your last employer in Hong Kong.
Uh, my duties there are taking care of 4 years old boy. Uh, I drop and bring the kids to the school. I do ironing, washing the clothes, and go to market.
Okay, why suddenly terminated the contract?
Because we're not suitable with my employer.
But you have a release paper.
Yes.
Good release.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Since you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes.
Okay. What will you do if the newborn is crying?
I will check the temperature. Uh, I give milk to the baby and change the diaper.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
For higher salary, and Hong Kong is one of the safe country in the world.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer want me to work and I'm capable to work.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract.
Yes.
Okay. Um, do you have an idea? For sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
I cook steamed egg, steamed chicken. I pan fry the vegetable. I cook the short and long soup.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes.
How about sharing jobs as a helper?
Yes.
Sharing room with kids.
Yes.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes.
If your employers have a pet, it is okay to you to take care of their pets.
Yes.
It is okay to you to take care of elderly.
Yes.
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English?
Yes.
Okay, my last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, I'm a cheerful person, trustworthy, hardworking, and flexible. And I will do my duties and responsibility, and I secure the safetyness of the kid and the family that I work with, and treat my kids as my own child. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Cecilia. Thank you.